Hello, little friends. Are you ready for a fun adventure? Let's go. Look, what's that? It's a puppy.
Woof, woof!
Can you bark like a puppy? Woof, woof. Great job. Now here comes a kitty. Meow, meow.
Meow, meow!
Let's say it together. Meow, meow. Oh, wow. A big yellow duck. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. You're amazing. Woof, woof, meow, meow. Quack, quack, too. Animal sounds just for you. Hooray! You did it. Give yourself a big clap. See you next time for more fun. Bye-bye.